everyone, welcome back to GPT Workspace. So, OpenAI just dropped something absolutely wild, and it's called ChatGPT Agent. And it's basically like giving ChatGPT arms, legs, and a personal assistant badge. And today, I'm going to break down exactly what it is, exactly what it can do, and if it's actually worth your time learning. Now let's get into it. Alright, so first things first, what actually is ChatGPT Agent? Well, imagine it's exactly like ChatGPT, but it doesn't just talk to you. It can actually go out, browse the web, click buttons, fill out forms, send emails, run code, plan trips. Basically, it can do stuff for you. And it officially rolled out on July 17th, 2025. And the idea is to give it a virtual computer so it can handle real world tasks start to finish without you actually needing to babysit it. Now, under the hood, the agent is actually a mix of three things. First, something called the operator, which allows it to interact with the website just like how you would. So clicking into websites, pressing buttons, filling out forms. Second is deep research. So that's the bit that lets it browse the internet properly, going deep into the web, pulling out information, grabbing things from multiple sources and pulling it into one condensed format. And the third is good old ChatGPT itself. You know, the thing that makes it sound all smart and coherent when it talks back to you and stuff. Now put it all together and it's not only an AI that can give you the answer, but go get the answer, format it, and take the next step without you even asking. So how do you actually fire it up? Well, if you're on ChatGPT Pro, Plus, or Team, you're lucky because you've already got access to it. You just open ChatGPT, go to your Tools button, and press Agent, and it loads it up just like that. From there, you literally just tell it what you want. For example, book me a hotel in Los Angeles next weekend. And then it'll literally start pulling sites, comparing the prices that's within your budget, and booking in the hotel by filling in your information. And if you want to tweak it or take over, you can literally jump in anytime. But it's not just about booking stuff. People are using it to plan events, build slide decks, track invoices, write reports, and perform competitor analysis, even automate things like social media posts. Basically, a good way of thinking about it is if it can be done without using a specialist hardware and just using your browser, then ChatGPT Agent can probably take a swing at it. Now here's where things get really interesting. Benchmarks show that it's actually pretty capable. In web navigation tests, it almost scored 69%. And in problem-solving tests like humanity's last exam, and yes, that's a real thing, it held its own at over 40%. But here's the thing, it's not exactly perfect. Some websites, for example, have bot protection, and the agent can just trip over it. Or it might be halfway through a task and sometimes just click the wrong thing. One reviewer reported that they tried booking a trip and right at the end near checkout, it just tripped up. And OpenAI has also built a lot of safety stuff. Like for example, it won't just log into your bank account and start approving things. And it also doesn't save a long-term memory of everything you do, so it doesn't just remember everything about you. But the good news is that means you're still the boss here, so the agent will always check in before doing anything sensitive. So, is the thing flawless? Definitely not. Sometimes it's genuinely faster to just do it yourself, especially if you're picky about how certain things are formatted. And Reddit's already full of people saying that it's a game changer, but it's super clumsy. So the final verdict is ChatGPT Agent is like having a super eager intern who's absolutely brilliant some days and absolutely scattered on the rest. But if you use it for the right tasks, especially the boring and repetitive ones, it's a total productivity booster. So if you got Plus or Pro on ChatGPT, give it a shot and let me know how you go. Did it actually book that dinner or did it get lost halfway? Drop your stories in the comments, and as always, like and subscribe for more productivity AI hacks in the future.